What's up, guys? I'm back with another hair video. Beauty Forever has sent me over some more of their bundles. I love Beauty Forever's hair. This is my second time working with them. The first time I loved their hair. So I was super excited when they contacted me again. This time they sent me over hair dye with no problem. I highly recommend this hair. I highly recommend Beauty Forever. Like I told y'all before, I worked with them before and I love their hair. So the hair is pretty long. It's 20 inches and it comes to the top of my butt. So I took my glasses off because the glare from the ring light was like irritating me. But now that I think about it, the video is almost over, so that was pretty much pointless. I don't know what I'm doing right here, y'all, but I will leave all the links down below to this hair and also to Beauty Forever's website. Thank y'all for watching this video. Bye.